wanted to check. Saros, can you tell me how to check version of Angular?
ng
version. Version I need to check. So, what is the version of Angular installed? 11.x. In my laptop, Angular version installed here. Which version installed? Angular 11.x installed here. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So Angular 11.x installed here. Just ignore it. Fine. How to create one Angular project? One dummy project I need to create. How can I create? new ngrx demo. new ngrx demo. One of the command I need to run. Parallel I need some support from you. You need to tell the number of files also. I hope, did you people remember it or not? I don't know. But you people need to tell the number of files. Do we need to create the model initially?
Yes, sir.
Rose, do we need to create the model initially?
Yeah. Yes,
Kiran, next one. Do we need to create the Saros after the model? Saros after the model, what you remembered? Ghana? You forget it, na? Everyone here after the model. Pratyush, Satyajit, after the model, you need to create actions, na?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Actions, sir. Next one. After the actions.
Effects, sir.
Exactly. Effects. After the effects.
Reducer.
Next one is the reducer. After the reducer. Selector. Selector means you may feel like a selector means you may feel like store. It's a store. Next one. What is the next one? Next one is the component creation.
Yes, sir.
In component, dispatch action, and a subscribe action. In a component, we have the dispatch action. Next one is the subscribe action. Is my point right or not? Funny. Tell all the points once again. You people need to tell all the points once again. All the points here. What are the points are there? All the points you need to tell. What is the first one?
Model.
What is the first one? First one is the model. The first one is the we need to create the model. Second one is the
action.
Second one is the what is the second one? Actions. Third one is the third one is the effects. Fourth one is the reducer. The fourth one is the what is the fourth one? Fourth one is the fourth one is the reducer. Not that one here. Reducer. Next one. What is the next one here? Next one is the what you wanted to place. We should be in a position. We need to place a selector. What are the selector is that? The selector we need to place. Let me place a selector here. One more thing is the we need to place the what you wanted to place selector. Selector also we can call. Selector also we can call store. Selector also we can call store. Guys, help me here. But at any cost here, we need to do the result of this application now. Fine. Next one is the what is the next one? Next one is the answer. Next one is the component creation. In the component, what you wanted to place in the component, we need to place the dispatch and subscribe. These are many number of things we need to place. Whatever we have here, there's many number of things we need to place. Okay, now how to do that one? Do you people will help me here? How to do each and everything here one by one we need to do. Can you people help me here? Go to
Sir, could you please increase the font size? I'm not able to see, sir. I'm using the mobile.
Okay, na? Okay, na?
Yeah.
Wait here, still the project is created or not, we need to see. Anyhow, is it a Java project? Yes, it's a Java project. Can I run that Java project? Whatever the Java project is, the Java project we need to run. How to switch it to desktop? CD space desktop. Guys, how to execute the Java project? How to execute Java -jar. Java -jar. Anyone? Java
Hyphen name.
hyphen jar.
Path,
What you
sir.
wanted to place here? What you wanted to place?
File
Mini,
name.
mini project hyphen 0.0. It's a like it what do you call like your Spring application.
Spring Boot.
It's running now. Yes. Next one. Can I open the browser? Please open the browser. After opening the browser, let me open the browser. After opening the browser, what is the URL? Localhost colon localhost colon 8080 slash API slash API slash v1 slash v1 slash products. Nona, what is the port number you given?
Sir, 5,000.
Sure na?
5,000. Yeah.
Sure na? 5,000. Yes, sir. We got output or not? Guys, we got
Yes,
output here. I think guys, non-Java people, I will share this file to you. I will share this RAR file to you. Run this RAR file into, run this jar file into your laptop. No need to struggle about the API creation here because we don't know that one. Java people knows that one again. Whatever the file is there, this file I need to share it to you. Let me share this file. Can I share in the Telegram itself? Because non-Java students also, they can understand. Don't struggle to create the API because our talent is the only Node.js here, but we don't know Java. But anyhow, Kiran, he created that one. So with the help of Kiran, we need to execute that one. Let me share this one. That jar file. What are the jar file is there, guys? Can you copy from the chat box itself? If possible, copy from the chat box itself. All the people here, download from the chat box itself. All the people, guys, kindly download from the chat box itself. After downloading the chat box itself, this is the command you need to run. Java hyphen jar. Once again. See this one here itself. Let me share this one. Whatever we have, this one I need to share for you. Whatever the jar file is there, let me share. How to run that one? Java hyphen jar. Java hyphen jar.
Then file. Menu product.
Dot jar na? Can you place the dot jar?
Yeah.
Dot
Yeah.
jar. Guys, non-Java students here, those who don't know Java, okay, just to download that file, run that command. Later, API, endpoint API, http colon / localhost colon 5000 / API / v1 / what you wanted to place products. Yes, this is the API. This API you need to run. Whatever the API is there, that API you need to run.
Sir, I'm using Angular 8 in my system, sir. So will
Angular?
it work? 8.
Why not?
Sir.
It will work.
Version
It will work here. But version to version, I think one of the headache they created,
Sir,
Google people.
Yeah.
Too much headache. Array, one application working in one version, one application not working in one version. But
That's
we
an issue, sir. I'm asking actually.
yeah, the issue because which issue we are getting also we don't know. After getting the issue only we need to identify the issue. I think there's one of the bad thing here. There's one of the bad experience faced with the help of Angular. Are version to version changes are there. If one application running with the one version, any another version is not working. Fine, guys, help me. Quick code, guys. I'm expecting some quick code from you. Source folder, app folder, source folder, app folder. Next one.
Model.
Source folder, app folder. Right click, new file, new file. Respond. New file. Product dot Product
Model.
dot model dot ts.
Yes.
Product dot model dot ts. Guys, everyone here, please help me at any cost here, because we are getting the errors here. Too many errors. NGRX package in the old classes it's working here. Now it is throwing the error like anything here. This topic is the terror topic here, a terrorist kind of topic. Or it is giving the lot of issues. Version to version also changes are there. Fine. Guys, how to create one interface? Export. How to create one interface? Export. Export. Interface. Interface. Which interface?
Product.
Or help me go export
Product.
interface product. Next one. And one more point. After creating that one, what you wanted to do? Export interface product. Next one. Can I go for the Google Chrome?
Yes,
What
sir.
is the first parameter? Answer.
ID.
What is the first parameter? ID. ID equal to
String.
String.
ID equal to
String.
string. What is the second parameter?
Name.
Name. Second parameter is the name. Name equal to
String.
String.
string. Next one. What is the third parameter?
Brand.
What is the third parameter? Brand. Brand equal to
String.
String.
string. What is the fourth parameter?
Rating.
Rating.
Rating. Rating. The fourth parameter is the rating. Rating equal to
Number.
number. What is the next parameter?
Cost.
Cost. Next parameter is the cost. Cost equal to
Number.
number. What is the next parameter?
Description.
Description. Description equal to
No. String.
description equal to string.
String.
Description equal to string. What is the next parameter?
Image.
No. Image, na? Image.
Yes.
Next parameter is the image. Image equal to
String.
image equal to string. The next parameter is the image here. Image equal to string. What is the next parameter?
Quantity.
Respond. Quantity. Quantity equal to
Number.
quantity
Number.
equal to what is the quantity? Quantity equal to number. What is the next parameter?
Count in stock.
Count in stock. Count in stock equal to number.
Number.
Guys, model ready na?
Yes, sir.
Can you people help me? Model is ready na? Kiran, model is ready. What is the name of the model? Everyone, Saros. What is the name of the model?
Products model.
No, product here, not products. Sir. Fine. Product is the
Model.
name of the product is the name of the model. That's it. Product is the whatever the product is there. Product is the name of the model. Fine. Next one. See this one here, and here itself one more thing. Can I create the service?
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
create
sir.
the service? Yes or not? We
Yes,
should be in a
sir.
position. We need to create the service. How can I create the service? How can I create the service? Right click,
NG.
new file, product dot respond,
Service.
product dot service dot product dot service dot yes. How can I create the service?
Injectable.
How can I create the service? At the rate
At the rate
injectable.
injectable.
At the rate injectable. At the rate injectable. Provided in equal to root. Next one. Export. Export. Tell me here. Default class. Which class?
Product.
Which
service.
class? Product
Product.
service. Can I do the dependency injection?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Master.
Can I do the dependency
Yeah.
injection? Why not? Happily, we can do the dependency injection. Constructor.
Private.
Constructor. Private.
Private
Service.
Object name.
Colon.
service.
Colon.
service.
No.
Product service.
No. HTTP colon. HTTP colon. HTTP client na.
Yes,
Yeah, sir.
HTTP client. How can I create object to the HTTP client? Import HTTP client from @angular / common / @angular / common / HTTP. Fun. Next one. Can I create one function?
Yes, sir.
Can I create one
Holy.
function? Public. Which function?
Yes,
Get product
Yes, sir.
function. How to make? Guys, no need to explain slowly na. No need to explain slowly. Already you people know. Public get products. Colon. How to make the asynchronous call?
Observable.
Observable. Fine. Which response you want to receive?
Any
No. Product array here. Next one. How to make the API call? How to make the API call? Return HTTP dot get off. Return http.get off. Fine. Can I pass this URL to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Respond here. Whatever the URL is there, that URL we need to pass here. Here itself. The same thing we need to link or not. Here also the same thing we need to link. That's it here. Finally, which service is ready?
Product service.
Guys,
Product
no need to explain na. No need to explain. No need to take
No.
the stress here na.
No,
Everyone. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
See this one here. Here itself. Product services. Product services ready with which function? Ready with which function?
Get function.
Get
Get
products
product
function.
function.
Ready with one function. Which function? Get products function. Finally, product service is ready with the get products function. Okay na? Fine. See this one here. After completing this one, can I go for the actions creation?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you help me?
Yes. Sir.
Can I go for the actions creation? Yes. Let me go for the actions creation. Can you help me? What is the file I need to create? Right click. Right click. New file. New file. Products dot actions dot ts.
Yes.
Products dot actions dot ts. This is the file we need to create. Fine, guys. How to create the action? How to create the action? Export. Export enum
Enum.
products actions. Yes or not? Export
Yes,
Yeah.
enum. See this one here. Export enum. What you want to do is products actions. Fine. And one more point. One more point is the after taking this one. After taking this one, can I take the 3 enums?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What is the first enum?
Get
Products
product.
loading.
Loading.
Or get as over wish now. Get products loading. Products loading equal to products loading equal to products loading. Fine. What is the next one? Products
Success.
loading
Loading.
success. Fun. Products loading success. Next one. Product
Products loading error.
success. Next one. What is the next enum?
Products loading
Products
Fail.
loading fail.
error.
Products loading fail. Product loading fail. Why is it totally how many things you taken? Chaitanya?
3, sir.
3 things. What is the first one?
Product loading.
Products loading. What is the second one?
Product loading.
Products loading success. What is the third one?
Product loading fail.
Products loading fail. The third one is the here we have the third one here. The third one is the products loading fail. Yes or not? Fun. And one more thing. One more thing is the can I create the classes?
Yeah.
Dhanraj, Girish Kumar, everyone help me. Export class. Class. Which class? Which class?
Product loading.
Products loading. Products loading. Implements na?
Implements action.
No,
Action.
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 Implements action. See this one again. Here itself, it's wrong na. Implements action. No, guys. First of all, we forget to download the packages. Did you download the packages? Did you download the packages? We forget to download the NGRX packages na.
Yes,
At the beginning of the project only you need to download. Did you download packages? No, guys, we forget to download the packages na. Yes,
sir.
fine. Help me here. How to download the packages? Array, tell me here how to download the packages. Yarn
Add.
at the rate ngrx slash fx at the rate ngrx slash store hyphen save. Yarn add ngrx slash fx ngrx slash store hyphen save. Satyajit, kindly mute yourself. Yes, guys, the packages, I think without downloading the packages, don't go for any work. You need to download the packages. Guys, check the version here. 12.1.0 na? The version is the 12.1.0. Check the older version. See this one. The older version is what is the older version? 11.0.1, 11.0.1. Yes or not? Guys, don't download the latest version here. No, it's a horrible here. It's a horrible. Version to version, so many changes we are getting. Just to download with the stable version. Once after getting the other, then we will do the R&D about these versions, guys. I forget that one. Just to download this version. Fun. Guys, how we can download? Yarn yard
Sir,
at
how
the
can
rate
we download the particular version?
I'm showing that one. At the rate ngrx slash at the rate ngrx slash store at the rate 11.0.4 under at the rate ngrx slash fx fx anyone at the rate 11.0.4 11.0.4 hyphen 7. Guys, remember this one here. After getting the output of the application, then we will do the R&D about these versions here. Headache versions.
Sir, this store and effects we are using, and for action and reducer and also.
Can you ask once again?
Sir, here we are downloading the package for
Packages.
store. Yeah, for store and effects, sir, we are downloading.
Exactly.
Sir, what about then action and sir?
Everything
reducer
related to
one?
store, na? Everything related to store itself, na? Reducer. These are the part of store itself only.
Okay.
Okay, na? Where is the location of reducer is? Location of reducer.
Store only, sir.
Inside the
In
store.
store only, yeah.
I think you are asking like, sir, if they
I got
provided
it, sir. I forgot. It
I-
was, yeah, I forgot.
exactly.
I forgot
See
that
this. Leave it
architecture,
here.
sir.
Yeah. See this one here. And here itself, action. Action, guys. Where is the action? Can I import action separately? Import action. Import action. Yes. From at the rate ngrx store. Fine. Can I place this one? Let me place the action here. Fine. Next one. Guys, one more thing. Public. Anyone? Public. Anyone remember here? Read only type equal to read only type equal to products actions dot
product loading.
Loading.
And let me go for the another thing. Export. One more thing is the
Class,
export.
product
Export
loading success,
class.
implement
Class
action,
products loading success. Implements action. No, only action. Action.
action.
Next one. See this one here. Public read only
Read only type equals to product action
enum2.
dot
enum2.
loading success.
enum2. What is the enum2? Product
Product
actions
loading.
dot products action dot products loading.
Products loading.
Fun. If a second class implemented successfully, Chaitanya, if second class implemented successfully, automatically, are we getting the result or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
We are getting the result. Which result we are getting?
Product array.
Product.
Fine. Can I go for the third class creation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I go for the third class creation? Export
Class.
class
Loading phase,
Loading phase.
loading
action.
products loading
Implements
implements action. Next one. Public read only type equal to what you wanted to place products action dot products loading fail. Products loading fail or something we need to place. Next one more thing. Constructor public error colon. What is the data type you need to take? String.
String.
What is the error? Yes. Guys, totally how many classes you created?
Three.
Kindly help me, guys. Totally how many classes you created? 3 classes.
Three classes.
What is the first class?
Product
Product
loading.
Products loading. What is the second class?
Product
Products
loading
loading
success.
success. What is the third class?
Product loading file.
Products loading file. Can I export everything?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I export everything? Export type products action types. Product action types equal to see this one here, products loading. Next one, products loading success. One more thing is the products loading success. Next one is the products loading fail. Very, very important here. Guys, do I need to explain once again this one? Are you people okay? Totally, how many classes are ready?
3 classes.
Products loading,
Products
Products loading success. Products loading
respond.
fail.
Products loading fail. Products loading success. Products loading fail. Everything present into where?
Actions.
Products action types. Can I place that names here? Let me place the names. Finally, these are the classes are ready. Fun. What is the first class?
Product loading.
Products loading. The first class is the products
Products
loading.
loading.
The first class is the products loading. Meet yourself, guys. Someone. Products loading. Second class is the products loading success. Second class is the products loading success. Third class is the products loading fail.
fail.
Third class is the products loading fail. Next one. What is the type we have? Products
Products
action
action
types.
type.
And what is the enum we have? What is the enum? Array, respond here. What is the enum?
Products info.
Products actions. Yeah, guys. Please tell all the names once again. Fine. Vindhya, how many classes you prepared?
3 classes.
3.
How many classes you prepared? 3 classes. What is the first class?
Products loading.
Products loading. What is the second class?
Products loading
Loading
success.
success. What is the third class?
Products loading fail.
The third class is the products loading fail. Next one. Here itself. What is the generic class?
Products
Products
actions.
action types. This fellow contain all 3 classes. He's the main fellow. This fellow internally contain all the 3 classes. Fine. What is the enum name?
Product
What is the
action.
enum name?
Product
Product
actions.
actions. Fine. Remember that one. Guys, here we have the multiple exports. Export is there.
Yeah.
Export is there. Multiple exports are there. Export is there. If you have multiple exports, you need to export one global export file. Don't have the multiple exports in the single file. Remember that point. Never have the multiple exports in single file. That is one of the rule. That's one of the rule of the TypeScript. Guys, here how many export statements are there? How many
4.
export statements?
Three.
1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is the 5. Guys,
5.
here we have the more than one export statement now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. If we have more than one export statement, the suggestion is the create the global export file. That is a suggestion. Pratyush, how to create global export file? Right click, new
New
file, right click, new file, index.ts. We need to create index.ts file. See this one here. Export star from. What is the meaning? What is the meaning?
Export.
All, sir.
Exporting all.
Star from dot slash products dot
Product
actions.
Action.
Guys, everything I want to export. Whatever the exports are present, at a time
sir.
I want to export. Guys, maybe you may feel like, sir, these are the new things. Even the new things we need to learn it here. Please support it here. Guys, if we have more than one export, at the time, how to define global registration file? Export, answer. Export
Export.
star from which file?
Dot
Dot slash
Product
products dot actions.
action.
Automatically we can export everything at a time. Whatever we have here, everything we're able to export at a time here. Okay now. Guys, are you people okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. See this one again. One more point. We need to go for the another point again. Next one. After completing the actions, what is the next file we need to create?
Effects.
Anyone, guys? We need to create the effects now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Up to now, guys, Satyajit, up to now, how many things we completed? Did we completed the model?
Yes, sir.
Did we completed the model?
Yes,
Did we
sir.
completed the actions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And next one, can you put the focus on effects?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let me put the focus on the effects. You people need to tell, guys, sir. Tell me, right click, right click, new file, right click, new file, products dot, products dot, effects dot, products dot, effects dot, ts. Fine. How to create the effect with the help of what? With the help of what? Injectable. If you wanted to create the effect, at that time, we need to go for injectable here. Provided in equal to what you wanted to place root. Provided in equal to, we should be in a position, we need to place the root. Whatever the root is there, that root we need to specify. Next one, how to export it? Export class, export class. Next one is the products effects. Export class, we should be in a position, we need to place the products effects. Fine. Next one. And one more point is the, can I create the object to the service? Can I create the object to the service? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How can I create? Constructor. See this one here. Private service colon, which service?
Product
Which
service.
service? Product service. Do we have more than one class?
Yeah.
Products
Yeah.
loading success, products loading fail. Do we have more than one class?
Yes, sir.
If you want to execute more than one class, we need the support of actions file. Remember that one here. If you have more than one class, I think guys already you prepared the 3 classes. Class 1, class 2, class 3. If you want to execute more than one class, we need the support of actions. Fun. How to create the effect? Anyone remember?
At the rate effect.
How to create the effect? Yeah, exactly. How to create the effect? At the rate effect. Next one. One more thing. Can I take one variable?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
take one variable? Which variable? Public get products variable. We need to take one variable. Which variable we need to take? Which variable we need to take? Get products variable. How to make asynchronous call? At least one person. How to make? With the help of what? Observable. We need to execute class by class na.
Yes.
Totally how many classes you have?
3 classes.
Chaitanya, everyone, Vishwaranjan, everyone here. Topic is the, at any cost here we need to execute this one here. Horrible concept with this one. Lucky Singh,
Yes.
how many classes you have?
3 classes.
How to execute class by class? With the help
Do
of
the
what?
pipe-
Action.
pipe.
No. With the help of action. We can execute the class by class. Yes, sir. With the help of action, we can execute class by class. Fine. And to execute all the classes one by one, distort action dot pipe. Yeah, listen the explanation once again up to now. How many classes you have?
3 classes.
3 classes. Products loading success, products loading fail.
Failed.
To execute all the classes, we need the support of actions. And one more point, to execute one by one, we need the support of action. Fine. How to start the execution? With the help of which function? Pipe function. Fine. Can I execute the first class?
Yes.
Can I execute the first class? Fine. Before executing the first class, can you people tell global export file? Global export file.
Index.
You people need to
Index
tell global
dot-
export file. Can I import it here?
Yes.
Can I import it here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Import star as
All actions
all actions from
from dot.
No, I think a dummy example and directly we place in the current path. Dot. Fine. Guys, is this all actions contain everything?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, how to execute first class? How to execute first class with the help of what? Of type. With the help of what? Of type. See this funny here. All the actions are present into where? All actions are not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All actions are not. What is the name of your enum? Enum.
Product loading.
What is the first enum?
Product loading.
Fun. Tell me, guys. You people need to tell this code here, guys. How to create the effect? How to create the effect? At the rate effect. See this fun here. Here we have the at the rate effect here. Whatever the at the rate effect is there, at the rate effect is there. We need to place that one. And one more point. One more point is the see this one here. Public respond. Public get products. Public get products. How to make a synchronous call?
Observable.
How to make a synchronous call with the help of what? With the help of observable. Fine. And how to execute action by action?
Actions.
How to execute action by action? With the help of what? With the help of action. Equal to what you wanted to place? Equal to what you wanted to place? Distort action start pipe. Distort action start. What you wanted to place here? Pipe. Distort action start pipe. We need to place here. Next one. Can I execute the first class?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes, sir.
execute the first class, guys? At least one person.
Yeah.
Let me execute the first class. To execute first class, which function they provided?
Of type.
Of type here. They provided one function. The function is the which function? Of type function. Fine. All the actions are present into where? All actions.
All actions.
What is the enum you have? Product actions.
Product
What is the first
dot
enum?
product loading.
Products loading. Next one. Is a second class need HTTP call?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Tell
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
Is a second class need HTTP call? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
To need HTTP call, we need to go for
Merge map.
we need to go for merge map. Fine. Guys, merge map, switch map, concat map, like this also so many operators are there. Separately I will take that one, guys. But to execute this project, let me go for the merge map. Here in the NGRX here, not NGRX, RxJS operators. Merge map, switch map, concat map, off, map, catch error, lot of things are there, guys. Separately we will discuss that one here. We will let me update that one in that area, then we will discuss that one here. Fine. Let me go for the merge map. Fine. Can I import merge map? Can I import merge map? Import
Yes, sir.
merge map. Import merge map from RxJS/operators. Fine. See this one here. What is the argument for the merge map? Argument for the merge map is the callback function. What is the argument for the merge map? Argument for the merge map is the callback function. Whatever the argument is there, we need to pass that argument here. The argument is the callback function. Okay, na? Fine. Here, can I make the service call?
Yes.
Can I make the service call? Distort service dot get products. Distort service dot what you wanted to place? Get products. Distort here we should be in a position. We need to place the distort series one here. Distort service dot get products. We need to place. Next one. After placing that one, give me the second here. 1 second, guys. After placing that one, here itself, how to catch the response? How to catch the response? Pipe function or not? Pipe function. How to catch the positive response? Map function. How to catch the error response with the help of what? Catch error. Very, very important here. Guys, just to make the service call here, I want you to make the service call here. How can I make the service call here? Anyone? How to make the service call here? Distort service dot distort service dot which function? Get products function. Fine. Here itself. How to catch the response? Pipe function. How to catch the positive response? Map function. How to catch the error response? Catch error. Fine. Where is the how to import the catch error? We need to import the catch error. Catch error we need to place. Boys, once if you mistake with the syntax here, horrible. Fun. Say this one here. Merge map, callback function. Distart, service dot, which function? Get products. Dot, pipe function. Dot, which function? Map function. Next one is the
Catch
next
error.
one is the catch error function. Fine. Do I need to import the map function? Do I need to import the map function? Yes, we should be in a position. We need to import the map function. Fine. With the help of positive response, can I execute the class 2?
Yes, sir.
Array, respond here. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And with the help of error response, can I execute the third class?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Product
Yes,
loading
we need to execute the third class here. Fun, try to say this one here. Here itself, what is the argument we need to pass? What is the argument we need to pass? The argument is the positive response. Na?
Yes, sir.
Can I give this positive response to second person, second class?
Yes, sir.
Whatever
Yes,
the
sir.
positive response is there, this positive response we need to hand over to second person.
Sir,
He is
one
the
doubt. Sir.
Ah,
One doubt. Like, could you please explain, merge map, difference between merge map, and catch error? Catch error is for handling the negative response. Map is for handling the positive response. And merge map is for merge map
to
is
make
for
the say this one to make the sequence of calls. To make the sequence of calls. Say this one here. Is he person 1 or not? Person 1 link to what? Person 2 or not?
yeah.
Person 2 and person 3 here. I think providing the link between the all the three classes.
Merge map is for making the whenever we have to get the response, like we have to make a synchronous call. That time we'll use merge map, na sir?
Exactly. Fine. Guys, what is the model we need to place? What is the model? The
Product.
model is the what is the model? The model is the product model here. Okay, na? Fine, guys. Can I give this result to the second fellow?
Yes.
Respond. Can I give this result to the second person?
Yes,
Second
sir.
class. Give to the second class. How can I give? Return, new, all actions start. Which class?
First,
Products loading success. What you wanted to pass? Positive response.
positive response.
Next one. See this one here. Are we getting error here?
Yes, sir.
Are we getting error here? Yes, we are getting the error. Fine. See this one here. This error, whatever the error is there. Yes, sir. Are we getting error here? Can I hand over error to the third person?
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yeah.
hand over the error to the third person? How can I hand over? See this one here. New, all actions
All
start.
actions
Who is
start.
the third
Product
person?
loading
Products
fail.
loading fail.
Loading.
Here itself, we need to pass the what you wanted to pass. We need to pass the network error. Horrible here, dangerous code, guys. I think is a normal student can understand this flow here? No, here.
No,
No.
sir.
Are how many brackets here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God. I think these are the standards of NGRX, guys. One of the most difficult topic into the Angular itself. No doubt. Next one. Finally, which one is ready? Finally, which one is ready? Which one is ready? Respond here. Products FX is ready. Finally, products FX is ready. Fine. Up to now, guys, what we finished up to now? Model completed.
Model
Actions
service,
completed.
action, effect.
FX completed. Fine. Can I go through the reducer?
Yes, sir.
Can I go through the reducer? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Let me go through the reducer. Whatever the reducer is there, we need to go for that reducer. Please go to the reducer. Whatever the reducer is there, that reducer we need to see. Help me, guys. How can I create the reducer? You people need to tell here. How can I create the reducer? Can you help me here? Right click. New file. Products dot reducer dot ts. We need to go for products dot reducer dot ts. Fine. How to create the reducer? Observe this one. Export function products reducer. Okay, na? Export function products reducer. Fine. Here, reducer taking how many arguments? 2 arguments. State. What is the next one? Actions. Action or actions here. We can take anything here. Not an issue. First one is the state here. Second one is the action. Guys, explain here. How to create a reducer? Please sync with the class, guys. How to create the reducer? Export.
Export.
Action.
Export. Function. Which function? Product reducer. Export function. The function is the product reducer.
Reducer.
Fine. Here how many arguments we need to place?
Two
Two
arguments.
How
arguments.
many arguments we need to pass?
Two.
We need to pass the 2 arguments. Let me pass the 2 arguments. What are the 2 arguments are there? The 2 arguments we need to pass. First one is the state. Second one is the action. Okay, na? Fun. Observe this one. Here itself, we need to take initial state. Can I take the initial state? Help me. Initial
Yes,
output.
sir, yeah.
Take, na?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Initial output. We should be in a position. We need to take the initial output. How can I take? Interface, I state.
I state.
Export. What is the return type you wanted to mention? I state.
Blank.
Guys, half of the NGRX is completed here. Last half of the part support here. Fun. Here itself. Inside the state, what you wanted to place? Loading equal to Boolean. Next one. Products equal to product array. Next one. Error equal to string. Fine. Can I take initial state here? Constant initial state colon I state. Constant initial state equal to I state. Fine. First of all, loading equal to false. Next one. What is the next one? Products equal to empty. What is the next one? Error equal to empty. Is it a initial state or not?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can
Yes,
I
sir,
mention here? Just to mention here. State equal to initial state or something we need to mention. Fine. Guys, all the classes are present into where? All the 3 classes. All the three classes are present into where? Products, action types, na?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, all the classes are present into where? Products, action types. Fun. Here itself. Can I take the switch case? Yes. See this one here. What is the enum? Product. What is the first one? Products loading. Yeah. Can I take the cases here? Case. No. See this one here. Switch.
Sir, case should be product loading, no, sir?
Action dot type. What is the first one? First one is the product actions dot products loading. Confusing here. Too much confusing. Case equal to what is the case? Product actions dot products loading success. Next one. Case. What is the case? Products actions dot product actions dot products loading fail. Fun. What is the default case? Take the default case. Default case equal to what you wanted to place? We need to place the return state. Default case equal to, and here we need to place the default state again. Default case equal to, we should be in a position, we need to place the return state. What are the return state is there? That return state we need to place. Fine. Say this one again. Here itself, return JSON object. Fine. Say this one again. Dot state. And one more point. Dot state we need to place. Next one. Loading equal to false. Next one. Products equal to, one more thing here. One more thing is the products equal to empty. Next one. Error equal to empty. Guys, initial nothing is there, na? Initial nothing is there. Go to the second one. Here. Here itself. Go to the second one here. Return. Observe this one. Return immutability. We need to maintain immutability. Next one. See this one here. Loading equal to true. Next one. Products equal to class contain
Product array.
one key na action dot products. Next one. error equal to empty. Fine. Go to the third one. Go to the last one here. The last one is the, say this one here, return. Return. Observe this one here. Return. We should be in a position we need to place the return. What you wanted to place? Return, guys. Return. We should be in a position dot state. Next one is the loading equal to true. Loading equal to true. Next one. See this one here. Products equal to empty. Products equal to empty. Error equal to action dot error. Horrible code here. It's a horrible code. Guys, effects are there na? Once again, effects are there na? Guys, can I keep the effects also in a global file? Let me place the global file. Don't forget that one, Ken. We need to place in the global file. Who is the global file?
Index.ts.
Where? Yes. Just to place the effects also. Export star from / products effects. Just to keep that one. Ask our question.
Sir, what is that dot state, sir?
Maintaining the immutability, maintaining the multiple copies. For example, final result is there na. Never modify the final result here. Always create the one duplicate copy. The duplicate copy we can call the dot state. Psychological, I will tell one point to you. After completing the class, I will share this code to you or not?
Yeah.
Saroja. After sharing this code, how you can use my code? Reference or
I'll
not?
copy. I'll copy.
Reference or not? You are creating your own file or not?
Yeah.
You are that is called as the dot. Psychological were thinking, I don't want to modify SAR code. I want to create my own code. I will use SAR code for reference purpose. There's a psychological feeling or not? That is called as the dot
Not
operator.
understood, sir, but how to connect it here, like?
No, leave here technical, leave it correct. Theoretical, you understand whatever I'm saying? Theoretical, you understand or not?
Yeah, somewhat, sir.
Not somewhat,
absolutely.
not clear na. Simple thing. This file is there. I will share this file to your email ID. Always see this one, Ken. This file is there. I will share this file
Sir,
to your.
means I'm not modifying the original thing. I'm just copying.
Exactly. That is called as
But sir, I'm not getting that. How to link that concept here, actually, sir? What exactly we are
that
doing
is the point.
here?
Okay, fine. Say this one. Can I go to the reducer?
Yeah.
What is the state? The state is the final result or not?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes or not?
Yeah.
Coming to the component, I don't want to give original person. I want to give copy to that person.
Okay, sir. Yeah,
Okay,
got it, sir. Yeah, got it.
I think you may ask, sir, why this nonsense? We can't do anything. This nonsense provided by the NGRX package. If you ask that person, he is saying to you comparison purpose, for maintaining the versions purpose, they will tell the same answers to us. If you say, sir, once again, why this nonsense? Sir, already we have the state now written that state. You may ask that one. Because these are
We
the
won't
NGRX
share the original data.
Original copy to the component. Give the copy of component. That is called as the dot state.
Yes,
sending the copy to the customer, we can call immutability.
Yes, sir, got it. Understood.
Yeah, how to implement the immutability dot operator. Fine. Guys, everything is ready, guys. After making everything, but before going to the selector, go to the registration file. You people need to go to the registration file. Which registration file?
App.model.
Compulsory. Go to the registration file. In registration file, we need to register. Like reducer, you need to register. FX, you need to register. That is a rule. Did you create reducer? Reducer? Reducer created already. You created the reducer or not? Just now.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Reducer created. What is the name of the reducer? Reducer is ready. Reducer is ready now. Reducer is ready. So you need to register reducer and FX in a where registration file. In a registration file, you need to register here. So how to do that one? See this one here. Store module dot. One function is there. Which function? For root function. Store module dot one function is there. Which function? For root to function. Fun. See this fun here. To register reducer, we need to dependent on one key. Which key? User defined key. Any key. To register reducer, we need to dependent on one key. Which key? User defined key. What is the name of the reducer? What is the name of the reducer? At least one person. Products reducer. Guys, this is the way to register the reducer. Can you explain? This is a rule, guys. You done the reducer or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? You done the reducer or not? That reducer you need to register or not?
Yes, sir.
How can you register that reducer? See this fun here. Store module dot for root of. Store module dot for root of. What is the key you wanted to take?
Product.
Products. Any key, any user defined key we can take. What is the name of the reducer?
Product reducer.
What is the name of the reducer? The name of the reducer is the product reducer. Fun. So reducer ready. Next fun. See this fun here. And one more thing. Can I register FX also?
Yes.
Can I register FX? Yes, we need to register FX also. So how to register? FX module dot. What is the next one? For root of. For root of. What is the name of the FX? What is the name of the FX? The name of the FX is the products FX. That's it, guys. Guys, this is the way to implement that fun here. Fun. This is the simplest thing we need to implement that fun here. Register that point, guys. What is the name of the reducer?
Product reducer.
What is the name of the reducer? Products.
Product.
Compulsory unit. Yeah, guys, your application is ready. Only 2 files are pending. So almost all your project is ready. After making reducer ready, you need to register here. Next one. After making FX here, you need to register here. Fine. And one more point. Your Saroz, okay, are bouncing.
Sir, one silly doubt I have, sir.
Can you ask once again?
Sir, we are importing produce product like reducer here, effects also, and action will come under effects only, no, sir?
Under the FX only.
Okay.
Okay,
Got
na?
it.
Fine. I think see this one, Saroz. Are a few things having the standards, a few things won't have the standards. But in the API, they told like, please register the 2 things. So as per their point, we need to place it. Fine. Guys, so project is ready now? Yes.
Yes, sir, yeah.
Finally, you need to create component or not?
Yes.
Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, one.
Lucky Singh, I'm listening.
Yeah, sir, actually, we have used here Bootstrap. So, in for component, correct? Or when will we use the export for the
Child module.
child module, like country module?
Exactly.
Okay.
Here we need to use Bootstrap. This is the main module. Okay, na? Fine.
Yes.
Guys, one more point here. One more point we need to place. One more point is the, guys, result we need to give to component or not? Final result.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. To give result to final component, you need to create one selector. Last point here. You need to create one selector. Through the selector only, result we can hand over to component. Through the selector only.
Yeah.
Selector is there na? Through the selector only. Through the selector only, we need to hand over result to the component. Fun. How to do that one? Fun. Let me create the last one here. Last one we need to do that one. Last 2 files here. Fun. Right click, new file, products dot selector dot ts. Products dot selector dot ts. See this one here. Guys, to create one selector. Guys, selector means hand over the result to the component. Remember that one. Fun. Create selector. Fun. To create a selector, here we need to dependent on one more function. Create a feature selector. Create a feature selector. Next one. What is the state you have? I state. In the registration file, what is the key you used?
Product.
Products. Next one. Second argument is the callback function. Fine. Here itself, you need to return the state or not?
Yes, sir.
You need to return the state or not? We need to return the
Yeah.
state. Fine. Guys, support, yes, slowly the people are dropping. The reason is the tough na. The topic is the tough, the people will drop it. The people definitely drop it here. The topic itself is the tough. Fun. See this fun here. Next one. Guys, whoever dropping here, you can't learn in your career this topic. At least in the classroom itself, if you got the 50% clarity, not 50 here, 30 to 40%. After the class, you need to understand once again. You need to prepare yourself. You need to take the challenge. You need to update itself. This is not the problem of explanation here. This the topic itself is the worst topic. Directly I'm saying here. Directly I'm saying here, whoever, at least here I'm not expecting 100%. After getting successful result, you need to practice in offline. You need to spend a lot of time to execute at least one application. Then you are the perfect with that one. This is the problem of this topic itself. Because of this reason only, another company released the Vue.js in the market. If you go for the Vue.js, this much of nonsense not there. Fine. Next one. Return. Return. See this one here. Return state. The next one. Here itself, just to catch the final variable. The final variable is the constant all products. Something we need to place. For next one. Can I export all products? Can I export all products? Export all products.
If-
Or otherwise, can I place the export keyword directly here? Why we need to place separately? Yes, guys, our project is ready. Remember only one thing you need to remember. This is the final variable you need to remember. This final variable contain whole result. Whatever the
Sir.
final variable is there, this final variable contain whole result, complete result present into this variable. This variable we need to use into one component. What is that
Sir,
component? App component. Tell me.
Sir, sir, could you explain that line number 4, sir?
1 second here. Line number
4, sir.
line number 4 na?
Yeah. 4,
See
yeah.
this one here. State in the sense final result or not?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes or not?
We are returning state to component. Yeah, the
See
final
this
result.
one here. This final result I want to encapsulate it to one more variable. I want to bind it to one more variable. Which variable? All products variable. Okay na? And
Yeah.
this all products variable where we need to call component itself.
Yeah.
Getting na? Fun.
Yeah.
You may object one point. Sir, why sir already state is there? Why won't you use the state directly in the component? That's our point.
Yeah.
My point also same thing. Not only your point, my point also same thing. But we need to follow that architecture. Okay na? I think you are saying to me, sir, state is the final person. Once again, why you are creating this nonsense, sir? Just to use the state directly in the component. That's our point. My point also same thing. But no, NGRX architecture, they're giving this much of nonsense. The same nonsense we need to follow. Fine.
Sir,
One more
yeah.
point.
So, yeah, that create selector and all those codes are like
Function.
date
This is the
picture.
function to bind.
Yeah.
See this function. To bind result to the all products variable. You need to use one function. Which function?
Create selector.
Create selector function taking how many arguments? 2 arguments. This is the argument 1. This is argument 2. Argument 1 is nothing but about another function call. Here, what is the key I'm taking? Products. There's a products available into which module? app.module.ts file. Understand the API. In the app.module.ts file, I'm taking the same thing or not?
Yeah.
Same thing we need to place. Next one. Guys, so where is the final result? This is the final result now.
Yeah.
This is the final result or not? Can I export with the global export file? Let me go through the global export file. Here we need to go through the global export file. Where is the global export file?
Index.ps ng rx folder.
Export star from // products selector. And I think everything we need to place in one global export file. Go to the component. What is our component? App component. In the app component, you need to perform dispatch on subscription.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
You need to perform the dispatch on subscription.
sir.
So to do that one, can I create the object to the store?
Yes, sir.
Can I create the object to the store?
Fine.
Store colon. We need to create object to whom?
Store.
We need to create object to the store. Fine. Guys, what is the argument we need to pass? I hope we need to pass one argument here. argument is the I state or something we need to pass. To perform dispatch and subscription, to perform dispatch and subscription, we need to create object to the store. Fine. Next one. Who is the first life cycle hook?
NG on it.
NG
NG on
NG
it.
on init.
on in it.
Fine. Can I go for the dispatch action?
Yeah.
Yes.
So please go to the dispatch action. How to do the dispatch? Distart, store dot, which function? Dispatch. Dispatch of which function you wanted to select? Select. Fine. Here itself, guys. Here itself just dependent on the predefined API key. See this function. Here itself, where is the constructor? This is the constructor. This is the constructor we have taken. Next one. How to do the dispatch? How to do the dispatch? Distart, store dot, dispatch of first class. No, he called the first class care. He called the first class care. So can I import all actions? Can I import all actions? Import star as all actions from data. Say this fun here. Dispatch of say this fun here. New all actions data. New all actions dot. What you wanted to place? Products loading. This process we can call dispatch process. Fine. Can I go for the subscription process? Can I go to the subscription process?
Dispatch means request.
Sending the
Sir, you
request.
said, yeah.
Sending the request. Fine. I think I'm sending the
Yeah.
request to execute the first class.
Sir, why only for product loading, sir? Because we are sending 3 requests, no, sir.
But
for loading
pipe
file,
function.
sir.
See this function. Pipe function is there internally. In the FX you have the pipe function merge map something is there na?
Yeah.
I think if the execution started carry, if the first class execution started, pipe function automatically executing the second class and third class.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Next one. See this fun here. Next one is the subscribe. How to do the subscribe? Distart, store dot, distort, store dot. Which one? Select na? Select a function. Here we have one function. The function is the select function. Not select function, pipe function. Here we have the one function here. Which function is there? The function is the pipe function. To get the result, we need to use one function. Which function? The function is the pipe function. Fine. What is the variable? All actions. Data. What is the keyword you have? All products. You have the one keyword now. What is the keyword you have? All products na? All products. Where is the final result? The final result present into all products or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, fine. Explain 1 second, guys. You people need to explain 1 second how to perform the dispatch and how to perform the subscription. You need to tell. To perform dispatch and subscription, you need to create object to the. You need to create an object to the. See this one here. Private store colon private store colon store. Here itself, what you wanted to place. Here itself, what you wanted to place. I state. Who is the important life cycle hook?
NG
on
init.
Who is the important life cycle hook? NG on init. Fun. Next one. See this one here. Here itself. Now see this one here. Distart store dot. Distart store dot. What you wanted to place? Dispatch. See this one here. What is the first class? New all actions dot products loading.
Yes.
Next one. Can I go for the subscription?
Yes, sir.
Please go to the subscription. Distart store dot.
Select.
Distart store dot.
Select.
Pipe na. Pipe off. What you wanted to place? Select off. All products dot. No. All actions dot. What is the final keyword?
All
Products. So finally, are we getting result or not?
Yes, sir.
This result contain 3 parameters na. It contain 3 parameters like products, error, loading something is there. So
Yes,
how to get the final result? Rest dot restaurant subscribe function. Restaurant subscribe function or something we need to place. Just to take the three variables here, you need to take the three variables here. What is the first variable? Loading equal to boolean. What is the next variable? Products equal to we need to place the product array. Products equal to, we should be in a position, we need to place the product array. Next one is the error equal to, we need to place the what you wanted to place, error equal to string. Fun. Try to say this one here. And here itself, just to say this one here. Next one, distart loading equal to, we need to place response. How to do the subscription, guys? See this one here. Now we are getting the another variable here. Obj you are getting. Obj dot. See this one here. We need to place the obj dot. What you wanted to place? Loading. Next one. Products equal to last one here. Products equal to. Mute yourself, someone. Mute yourself. Products equal to obj dot. What you wanted to place? Products. Next one. Error equal to. Error equal to obj dot. Error we need to pass. Fun. Guys, result present into three variables na.
Yes,
Loading
sir.
variable,
Product.
products variable, error
And
variable.
error variable.
So can I print this one? Yes,
Yeah.
let me print it. Where can I print? App dot component dot html. Fun. In app dot component dot html, can I print that one? What is the first variable?
Loading.
Loading variable. What is the second variable? Products variable.
Products.
Fine. What is the third variable?
Error.
What is the third variable? Error variable. Products variable, I want to convert it to string format. How can I convert it to string format?
Yes.
Type of JSON.
Fine.
Fine. Guys, and go to the app.module.ts file. Can I add the HTTP client module? Can I
Yeah.
add the HTTP client module? Yes. We need to add the HTTP client module. Fun. Check our luck here. We need to check our luck. ng yes -o.
Sir,
Hmm.
in major project, are we going to design like forms like reactive forms and
Why
TLC?
not? Why not? Because in the major project, before doing the payment, add to proceed to pay some button is there, na? Proceed to pay in the cart functionality. Proceed to pay one button is there. Before doing the payment, you should sign in first of all. If you don't have the account, first of all, you need to go for register.
Yeah.
Okay, na? Maybe you may get after 1 month, you may get it. Guys, how much horrible, guys, this topic?
Yes, sir.
Too much horrible. Because of
Sir,
this reason here.
reactive also we'll use the sir reactive.
React is easy, not this much of first thing. React is easy, kid.
Sir,
Angular first.
reactive is tough, sir. Like template form the one is fine. We can do validation.
You are
in
saying the
HTML,
React
but
JS,
no.
na? You are saying the React
Yeah.
JS, na, or what? React JS. You
React
are
is
saying the
easy
React JS.
from Angular, sir.
React
No,
too much
sir.
easy.
I'm
React
not
is too
saying.
much easy. You are talking about React JS state management, na?
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
this is reactive form.
Reactive forms, sir. I'm talking about forms, sir. Template form D1s and reactive forms, sir.
You are talking Angular itself. You are talking the forms, na?
Yeah, forms, sir.
Saroz.
Yeah, yeah.
Like you may feel like a chota in front of NGRX package. Okay, na? Don't take the
Sir,
stress
I
to
don't
understand.
know.
You don't take the stress to understand the like what
Sir, NGRX, I understood everything,
if you know,
sir.
Saroz,
My
I
all
will tell you.
doubts are resolved totally
No,
today.
I will tell you one point. Whoever understand the NGRX care, everything you may feel like a dummy kind of thing. Everything. The remaining topics are there, everything like a dummy kind of thing. Okay, na? Yes, guys, see this one here. This much of nonsense here. To see this result, this much of nonsense we need to implement. Getting na? So because of, guys, see this one. Initially, Boolean value is the false. Did you observe that one? False converted to what?
True.
True.
Array,
False
sir.
converted
True.
to true.
True.
Initially
Yeah.
false. False converted to true. Fine. Guys, see this one. What is the issue I faced here? In the last class also, I told the same project or not? In the last 1 week back.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. At that time, am I getting the output? No. What is the reason why I'm not getting the output here? I used the I used the latest version of like this NGRX 12.1.0 something I used. Because of that reason, I didn't get the output. You may ask how you know. I'm comparing that code from the past 2 days onwards. I'm comparing that code. This code is working in the last sessions, na. Last 1 month back also same code is working, na. But now it's not. Why it's not is working now? I done some kind of evaluations here. I checked all the files here. Only issue with the version. And you may raise the point, sir. In the latest version also, how to execute the code? You may ask that question. Yes or not? But we need to verify with the Google, guys. We need to search with the Google. But what?
Which version you use, sir?
In the last month, I used one version. Wait here, I will show that version. The version is the maybe 11.0.1 is the last month version. At the time, application is working fine. Now, NGRX updated to series 1. I will show the current NGRX package. NGRX Angular current version. Fun. Once again. Okay. Maybe the current version is the 12.0.4 current version. That current version updated 1 week before, like on the 2nd June, they upgraded the NGRX version to 12.0.4. So because of that version upgrade, but maybe did they change any API? We don't know that one can. Because of that version change in the last class. Just let me open that project here. I will open that project. You can see that project here. Same code here. Ditto copy code. Ditto copy code here, but that code is not working. Ditto copy code. No change in the single line of code. So only version change. Please open our project. You need to open our project again. Old project. I think what are the old project we done here? That project. File, open folder. File, open folder.
Yes, sir. In the output, there is two sub output. First is a true is for output for calling
First
the
is
server.
the false. First is
Calling
the
the
false converted to true. Yes or not? This is the point we're asking, na?
Yes, yes. Means true means first we need to call to server.
No. I think yeah. False means you need to. I think Lucky Singh. Why I'm placing like in the sense, false converted to true, na?
Yes, yes.
Meanwhile, I will show the progress bar to you.
Okay.
I think this is not a mandatory here because of my thinking power. I'm placing that one series one here. False converted to true. It is taking the 3 to 4 seconds of time, na?
Yes.
In that time, I will show the progress bar. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think true and false, leave it. That is my own manipulation, sir. Fine. File, open folder, D drive, Angular 7 AM, something here. Guys, first project here, 3 to 4 days back, I told that project to you, but it's throwing the error. The reason is, series one. Just open the mini project here. We need to open the mini project. What are the mini project is that mini project we need to open here? Let me open the mini project. This is the mini project. Now this is our code ready here. Complete code ready 3 to 4 days before only. But it's throwing the error. Maximize it. We need to maximize it. After maximizing, app folder, go to the country. Anywhere here, we can register anywhere, not an issue. Guys, this line throwing the error, but now still it's loading here. Whatever the code we kept here, this code throwing the error here. So, and what is the version I used 3 to 4 days series one? Error coming na? Series one here, nonsense error here. Same code. Am I changing anything here? No, na. I'm not changing anything, guys. I'm not changing anything here. Because I think why we are getting the error 4 to 5 days before. Why we are getting here? The reason is go to the package.json file. Can you identify the package.json file? Where is the package.json file? Where is the package.json file? In a package.json file, say this one. In a package.json file, what is the version of NGRX? What is the version of NGRX, guys? Tell me here. 12.0.1. This version updated recently. What are the version is that version recently updated? So in this version, it is showing the error. in the app.module.ts file, slowly it
Then
is
sir,
showing
how you
everything.
change the version, sir, after doing everything? Like, is it possible?
No, I think I done like how I resolved here in the today morning. What I done in the sense here, early morning at 4 o'clock, I seen that one because this code is not working now. Otherwise, I need to close this mini project now. I verified here early morning 4 o'clock at that time. Wake up here, I checked. Array, why last class working? Why this class is not working here? I compared the both the codes. After comparing the both the codes, I got this difference. Last month, I used one version 11.0.1, but in the current project 12.0.0. version is upgraded. Because of this version, we are not getting output. So I tried in front of you. I installed the old version like 11.0.1 here. Because of that old version only, now I'm able to see the result. See this one. Go to the package.json file. We need to go to the package.json file.
Then sir, in that case, do we need to remove the first version, or it will overlap if we'll like install the new one?
Install the don't install here. I think what is the problem of UI technologies in the market in the sense? I think you may feel like it is a bug in the UI technology. So Java is there. Java 6 versions will work in Java 7 or not?
Yeah, it will work.
Do you need to take any risk to do that one? No. Whatever the features are available into Java 6 automatically will work into Java 7.
Java 7.
Java 7 features will work into
Java
Java
8.
8. Java 8 will work into Java 9. No need to take the risk. No need to do anything. Okay, na? But reverse may not possible. Java 8 may not support into Java 7. Yes or not?
Yeah.
My point is right or not? For example,
Yes,
you
correct,
Yes, sir.
correct.
Got it, sir. Understood, sir.
Mhm.
Yeah.
that is
Java,
the default
Java
nature.
is not.
See this one. That is the default nature we are expecting with the UI technologies also. Are here nonsense here? For example, Angular 4, 5, 6, 7 something is there na? Angular 4 100% will work into Angular 5. Angular 5 will work into where? Angular 6. I think as a developer we are expecting that one or not. But that facility
Yeah.
not there here. That facility not there. That facility not there. Okay. Fine. Reason is I will tell the reason also.
Then, sir, I'm using Angular 8, sir, and we are using Angular 11. Then it won't
It
work,
may
no,
work,
sir.
it may work, may not work. That's the point I'm saying here. It may work or may not work here. This is one of the issue identified in the recent classes. Sir. Fine. For example, if you developed one code with the Angular 4 or Angular 10, assume here. This code 100% should work with the Angular 11. Next one is the Angular 12 also. Yes or not? 100%,
Yeah.
but not executing here. It's not executing. If you develop any project with the Angular return, that a project may execute, may not execute here. So this is one of the big headache of UI technologies in the market. You may tell one reason. Sir, what is the reason? You ask a reason here. Because Angular given by which company? Angular given by which company? Angular given by the Google company or not? Google or not? Respond.
Yes, sir.
NGRX given by which company? Is it provided by the Google? At least one person here. Is it provided by the Google? No.
No, sir.
No, here, no. This one provided by whom? Third party company. Fun. Angular given by the Google. So Google people upgrading the versions like anything. Angular 11 and Angular 12, like he's upgrading the things like anything. Whenever you integrated the third party libraries, then the class will bounce like anything. The applications will bounce like anything. Because two companies coordination is not correct. Because Google people don't want to talk with the NGRX people. NGRX people don't want to talk with the Google people. So because of this reason, this is one of the big headache riser in the market itself. This is a nonsense here. This is a nonsense. Then just I verified some Google forums here. Everyone's scolding like this only. Everyone's scolding these points. Are version to version, a lot of differences are there. It's a complex to work with the UI applications there in the Google forums here. Everyone's scolding this point. Fine. Guys, will you do the one favor here? I will share this code to you. Complete code I will share it to you. Will you integrate this code to our project? Will you complete this one?
Yeah, sir.
Can you try? I think first of all, before going to the integration, can you please practice this application now itself?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now itself. I think I will tell you. I will tell you how to execute the code. I will tell you. Never ignore it, guys. Never ignore that one here. Never ignore that one here. Here itself, this is our project now. This is our project. I will delete the node modules folder. I will delete the node modules folder itself. I will delete it. Everyone here, guys. Now I will share that code in the Telegram itself. Run that code into your laptop and show the output. And one more thing, I will give one simple assignment also. Do that assignment with the NGRX package. Later, take some time, integrate this code to our mini project code. What are the code we done yesterday? You need to integrate that code to that mini project. Anyhow, whenever I got the free time now, today, I will integrate that code and the final build file I need to share it to you. And remaining work, guys, like a CSS integration, do yourself here. Don't dependent on me. CSS is there, like a Flexbox, something. Anyhow, in the major project also, we will do the CSS integration. Don't worry here. What are the major project we are doing here? In that one, we are integrating the CSS also. So after integrating this code to our yesterday code, I will integrate that code. It will take the time here, a lot of time it will take. I will integrate here. By the end of today, I will show the complete build file to you people. Fun. Go through that complete build file and whenever you have the time, can apply the little bit CSS to that code. Next one is the deploy that code to the AWS server. Fun. AWS server, I hope you people knows already AWS server deployment Angular code. Just to know that. And Saroz and Java people here. And Kiran sent one file to me. He sent one file to me. I will show that file here. Will you spend some time to understand this flow? And can you deploy your backend code also to the AWS itself? You sent a separately, Kiran? Did you send separately to me? Something here. He sent one file to me, like a step-by-step procedure. How to deploy project into cloud itself. Like which project? Your backend project. So he sent one file to me. 1 second, I will share that one. Here. Just to have a look into that one. Here. Please try to complete it. Here. Fine. And by the end of today, guys, I will send a complete build file to you, like yesterday code and today code. Complete build file I need to share.
One question, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, the Angular deployment project, Angular deployment and Spring Boot deployment.
Different.
So the process is different.
Completely different.
Okay.
Completely different. No, I think already that deployment process also already he checked with the Google. He shared a document to me, Kiran. So I will share same document to you just to try yourself. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Otherwise, whenever we have the time here, and if all the Java people, if anyone are supporting here, then I will do the deployment with the help of few people. What are the deployment is a Spring Boot deployment, na? Spring Boot deployment. We will try it. Maybe success or failure, it doesn't matter. We will try in the classroom itself. Okay, na?
Sir, one small concept, sir. Sir, that karma with Jasmine, sir.
Why not? Definitely, I will explain. Never. I think, Saroz, whatever I told here, everything I will tell. But one by one, at a time we can't get it, na. But anyhow, while completing, just now we completed the mini project, na. By the end of today, I will send the complete build file to you. So, karma with Jasmine. Meanwhile, whenever I got the chance, definitely I will tell that one. Otherwise, tomorrow we will start the main project module 1. While completing main project module 1, 100% will include the karma with Jasmine cases. Okay, na? Never worry about it. Definitely 100% I will include that one.
Thank you, sir.
Series fun, but one by one. At a time we can't. Na? So guys, I'm sharing this complete project with you. First of all, run that project into your laptop. Fun. Before running this project, just to run the Java project. Then run this one here. And one more thing. To run this project, guys, this is the command you need to run. See this one here. CD space, not CD. npm space install. And next one is the ngs-o. Don't forget it, guys. npm space install ng space -o. Then you can install that application. Okay, na? Fun. Guys, what is the assignment to you people? Assignment to you people is integrate CSS3. And one more thing. Deploy into AWS server. Okay, na? Help me here. Will you help me? You need to integrate what? You need to integrate CSS care. Next one, you need to deploy into where? You need to deploy into AWS server. These are two things I'm expecting from you. Fun. By the end of today, I will share the complete build file to you. Fun. After sending the complete build file to you, and tomorrow morning we will start the project one, module, main project module one. We will start in the tomorrow. Okay, na? Fun. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Sir.
Hmm.
So yesterday code, sir, you
Ah.
not uploaded on Git.
Can I open that one? Already, I felt like already I committed the code. Anyhow, can I try it once again? File, open folder. What is our folder? Can you tell me? D drive, na? My computer, D drive, Angular 7 AM. Angular 7 AM. In Angular 7 AM, did I commit the code or not? No, na? Git add data. Maybe not committed. Git commit -m rx.js. How to push it? Git push. Whenever we call the git push, automatically we can push the code.
Sir,
Okay,
could you please share yesterday's recording, sir?
I think, guys, can I share through the Google Drive itself? This is the yesterday class recording. Can I share through the Google Drive? Because if I share through the Google Drive, the advantage is the up to completion of the project, you can see that video file. After whenever we complete our batch, then I will delete that file, sir. Okay, na? Because every day you people are saying here, sir, the videos are expiring, something is there, na? So I will share through the Google. So because of that reason, I'm not sharing that file here. So whatever the yesterday mini project file is there, that mini project file, I will share through the Google Drive once again here.
Recording stopped.
Yesterday file and today file. But I think you need to ping your email to me separately, guys. Please ping your email to me separately here. If you ping, don't ping in the group itself here. So ping your email ID separately to me, like a one by one personal ping to me. Then I will link to Google Drive. Okay, na? Fine. One second here. I think in front of you, I need to create it again. In front of you only. See this one here, Google Drive. Because every day here, I think I need to dependent on Ashok IT admin people. They won't share. You are asking me, sir, where is the video file? And the security also not there, guys. So a lot of people they're doing the business outside with this video. So security also not there. If I create the one drive, I will link this drive to your email ID. So with your email only you can open it. You can't open with any other email also. This is security. Fun. Say this one here. Angular @7 AM. Angular @7 AM. Please open the Angular @7 AM. In Angular @7 AM, can I create only one folder, guys? New folder, mini project, under the mini project. Is it a video one? What other video one is there? Yes, so this is the video one. This is the video one here. Now I need to go for the video two also. Video one I shared, guys. I think, and one more thing. Can I share this file to you people? Share. Can you please, if you don't mind, can you please ping quickly your email IDs in the chat box itself? Please ping me quickly. No, in the Telegram chat box. In the Zoom chat box, guys. Please quickly, guys. In the chat box, Zoom chat box. Guys, please ping to me quickly. If you ping to me quickly, then I will add it. Otherwise, once again, you are sending separately. I need to place it. Is it possible, guys, to send your email ID in the chat box itself? Is it possible? No, na? Guys, are you people there now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
One second. Please send the all the emails. I will link it now because later I won't link it. Anyone? Only one person. Next 1 second. Slowly, guys. Prathamesh also he sent again. In the Zoom here, I'm requesting you in the Zoom, guys. I'm requesting in the Zoom itself. Guys. I'm requesting the Zoom itself. 3. Anyone, guys? Anyone? 1 second. Okay. Vindhya. And one more thing is the Saros. And one more thing is the One more person.
Lucky.
Can you send it to me?
I sent.
Yeah. Only M is extra na. Dhanraj. Please send the correct guys. Please send the correct year guys. Please send correctly. Yeah. And one more thing. And one more thing is the C frame. And one more thing is the any other thing, any other email guys apart from this one.
Sir, my mail Lucky.
Tell me, just can you ping to me? Can you ping here in the chat box itself?
1 minute.
Dhanraj, your email ID is wrong na? Dhanraj, you are saying email ID is wrong na?
Permission is editor, sir. Oh, sir, here right side setting.
I will change it. I will change it. I will change it. I will place to only viewer, not editor. Lucky, if possible, can you send it once again?
Sir, my mail ID, sir.
Ping it now. Ping it.
Yes, I sent now.
Sir, I have pinged my mail ID. Live project.
In chat box. Yes, I sent in chat box.
Your mail ID, can you tell? I hope everything I included.
No, my mail ID is live project.
Can you type it here now? Is it possible to type it? Live project.
Live project 48.
48
@gmail.com.
@gmail.com.
Sir.
Yes.
Tell me.
Sir, my mail ID is Satyajit Behra. Yes, sir.
They're already placed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Guys, I think still whoever missed it here, if they place it, then we will do that. Fine. And can I share the GitHub link also here itself? Let me share the GitHub link also. Through that GitHub you can get it here. Just the GitHub link. Through the GitHub itself you can get it. One mail ID is right. Yes, guys, I shared that one, guys. After the class, today video also I will upload here. And tomorrow I will create another folder, major project folder I will create it. From there itself I will upload it. So no need to wait for anything. After completing your batch, then I will delete all the videos. Okay, na? Then and one more point here, you can't, guys, you can't share these videos to anyone because these videos will open with your email ID only. I think if you're trying to open with a different IP address something here, it will throw some error to you. It will throw the error. Definitely, we will block that one. Remember that point, guys.
Did you put my email?
Huh?
My email Pratyush Sarangi 90%.
What you are doing here? Can you send it immediately? Na? I think while sending, while closing the session, saying, na? Can you tell email ID?
Pratyush Sarangi 94.
Can you ping that one without typing here? PRATU
PRATYU
TYU
SH SARA NGI @94, sir.
94 94
@gmail.com.
Can I click the?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Please ping it, na. If you ping it, then I will add it, na. If you ping, then I will add it, na. That's a point I'm saying here. Is it possible to ping to me in the chat box itself? Pratyush Sarangi, tell me once again, can Pratyush?
PRATYU SH
TYU SH
SARA NGI
GI 94 @gmail.com. Your email ID, one more person.
Money Lucky.
MANI money
LUCKY
@1995
1995
@gmail.com. Not editor, just give the viewer option. Yes, I sent that one, guys. So still whoever missed it, when that people they will ask it once again, I will add that. Okay, na?
Sir, sir, one doubt, sir. You told to run your project. No need to implement, sir. I need to implement.
You need to implement na. You need to write your own code. First of all, see the result
So
of our
attempt.
code. No. Saroj, what I'm saying in the sense, first
Sir,
of all,
but I can't. Will it work because I'm using Angular 8 and you have created using Angular 11, no, sir?
Verify that one. I'm not sure na. I can't say the yes or no, na, because the reason is it may work, it may not work.
Okay.
Okay na? Okay na? Fun. And one more thing. Coming to your laptop here, will you do like this? In our laptop, first command you need to run. The command is the npm install -g @angular/cli @11.0.4. One second, I will show the version. Same commands you need to run into your laptop. Then no need to take any struggle kit. It will work happily. Mm, 11.2.4. Once again, just to verify the CLI version. Saroj, run this. Guys, all the people here, kindly request is the just to run, just to install the same version, sir. @11 dot hyphen say. This is the first command you need to run into our laptop.
Sir, this is really big headache, sir. Like changing version.
Not a headache now, because you may see my pain also. It's not joke to explain this kind of thing, because if we got the error, we don't know why that error getting. It's a headache to ourselves also. Fine. And one more command. These are versions you need to see. Yarn add @ ngrx/fx which version? The version is the 11.0.1. Fun. And one more thing. @ngrx/ngrx/ next one. Store 11.0.1. Sarojo, create the project by using these two things. So no need to worry. You can write the code into our laptop. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Can I ping that one? Guys, everyone here, everyone try to do the project with these two commands. Don't go for any other thing. Okay, na? Fine. Guys, tomorrow here, by the end of today, I will share the complete build file to you. Yesterday code and today code. I will integrate with the particular versions. Then I will share it. After sharing that one, then in the tomorrow directly we need to start the major project. Guys, but while doing the major project here, I will include the just unit test cases, no doubt here. 100% we will use the just test cases. But coming to the mini project here, integrate the CSS and AWS deployment. You people need to do that one. Okay, na? Fine. Thank you guys. Bye.